This is a relationship between insulin and glucose. So what happens is that when you eat something and the sugar from what you eat is glucose, and when the glucose enters the bloodstream, it is detected by the pancreas, and the pancreas releases an insulin so that the insulin can travel through the bloodstream into the insulin receptor so it can send signals to the glucose transport to open up a doorway through the cell membrane into the cell, letting the cell get energy from the glucose.
Pancreas gland releases glucagon. It targets cells in the liver to release glycogen, which is converted to glucose and allows for the blood sugar to rise.
Here is an example of how it would be like in a normal body.
I have these.
I told you. That's really good. It is, but it's like not being used.
No, it's gonna work.
The other house is big.
In type 2 diabetes, there's insulin released from the pancreas, but the insulin is not recognized by the insulin receptor, which doesn't send signal to the glucose transport protein, and your liver, fat, and muscles won't respond, and glucose won't be able to enter into the cell.
In type 1 diabetes, insulin is not produced by the pancreas, so when the glucose flows through the bloodstream, the insulin is unable to go to the insulin receptor, so it cannot send a signal to the glucose transport protein. So therefore, the glucose is unable to go to the cell because it's stuck at the cell membrane. In type 1 diabetes, insulin is not produced by the pancreas, so when the glucose travels through the bloodstream, the insulin is not able to go to the insulin receptor, and the insulin receptor is not able to send a signal to the glucose transport protein, so the glucose gets stuck at the cell membrane.